this make-ahead family meal or party appetizer has been around since 1974. So much for me creating something that will change the cooking world. Hey, my gluten-free friends, welcome to my gluten-free plate. Today we're making this scrumptious taco pizza, topped with a creamy high-protein avocado dip, easy, barely prep Mexican-style refried beans, and all our favourite taco fixins. The wet ingredients will go into the dry, and you'll turn the crumbly mix onto a floured surface and knead by making 50 turns. Hop on over to my easy Turkish-style flatbread video where I talk more about kneading if you're unsure about turns. We're going to flip the dough and lubricate it and the workbench and our hands lightly with oil, and we'll make another 25 turns. Next, we'll flour the surface again and pat the dough out and make a 30cm disc with the rolling pin. The dough only takes about 10 minutes. How easy is that? Also, you'll find the ingredients list and measurements in the description box below. Fold the disc up and transfer to a prepared tray and bake in a preheated oven middle shelf at 200 to 210 degrees for around about 18 to 20 minutes. Now, if your dough bubbles up like this, it means we haven't pricked any holes in it, so just flip it over when it's cooked, press it down, and that should fix the problem. There she goes. Everything comes together quickly now. We're going to build the flavour and give our bottled salsa dip some body by adding aromatics to some oil. Then we're going to add the salsa, the beans, and cook that until it thickens. Now, while this simmers on a medium to high heat for 5 to 8 minutes, we're going to make our pico de gallo, which is really, really easy. Tomato, onion, cilantro, lime, oil, done. And so are the refried beans. There you go. If you're enjoying the video, please give the like button a little boop, just like that, and that will help other people find the video too. Now, if that's not one of the most gorgeous avocados we've ever seen, people, I don't know what is. To one wholesome avo, we'll add cottage cheese, garlic, lime, salt, and zhuzh till she's creamy. And with a fancy flourish, let's spread our avocado dip, add the beans, pico de gallo, and olives, jalapenos, cheese, and more cilantro. You can drizzle some sour cream on top of that, but I've used Greek yogurt, a bit of water, and some oil and a little bit of garlic. And to garnish, we will finish off with some corn chips.